Just be relaxed and be calm. And be present in the class. Couple of deep breath. Everyone, inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your palm and make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Smiling face and just relax. Both palm on your knees, everyone. Here we start with the neck stretch first. Everyone inhale, then look up. Exhale, look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale again on the right side. Inhale, center and exhale on your left side. Inhale, center, exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale on your left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale on the right shoulder. Inhale, center and exhale on the left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale, now relax. Open arms your shoulder level. both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and just look up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Open arms your shoulder level. Left hand on your right knee and right hand up. Inhale, stretch your right arm, and exhale, bend on the left side. Push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Come back, inhale and exhale, relax. Right hand on the left knee, left hand up, inhale and exhale, bend on your right side. And now stay. Push your left knee down. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, then relax. Put your hands behind of your hip. Inhale, open shoulder, push your chest front, drop shoulder and look up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, palm on your knee, squeeze and look down. Again, open arms your shoulder level. Both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, exhale, bend on your left side and hold. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. Bend on your right side and then stay. 1, keep pushing your left knee down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax your both hands. Finger lock from your backside. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. 1, breathing. हेमा ऊपर देखो. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Suck your belly in. Drop your head down and lift your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax everyone. Keep your both legs straight. A little open your legs. And then move legs. Just move it. Move your knees up and down. Your legs closer. Toes facing point. And then flex your feet. Toes facing point. and then flex your feet. Now make a rotation, ankle rotation. Your leg straight and your spine straight. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. And now relax. Your left leg put on your right upper thigh. And very simply push your left knee down. One, right leg straight and try to be knee facing upside. उसको बाहर मत निकालिए, just right knee a bit inside. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Maintain कीजिए and bend forward. Hold your right foot, flex the right foot, push the knee down and then try to be bend forward and touch your right leg. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Come back everyone. Cross your right leg with the left leg. उसको cross कर लीजिए. Right elbow on your left knee, left near hip, twist and just look back. Make sure your spine straight, suck your belly in and then to be twist. Keep pushing your left hip down. Left hip को push कीजिए, spine को lift कीजिए and give a opening in your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then relax and come back. Relax your left leg. Right leg put on your left upper thigh. And now the same. धीरे धीरे slowly. 1, 2, 3. No jerks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. एक हाथ से कर लीजिए. 9 and then 10. Maintain कीजिए. Just try to be hold your left foot and flex your left foot. You have the strap, you have the towel, you can be use that if you are not able to reach there. Spine straight, do not be squeezed, lengthen it, suck your belly in and then slowly with the exhalation try to be bend down everyone. Just try as maximum you can reach to your left leg. 1, try to touch your left thigh with your stomach first, after your chest, chin or forehead. 4, 5, 6 and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. Come back. Cross your left leg with the right leg. Right hand near the hip and drop your left elbow on the right knee like this. Main thing, your right hip on the mat. Lift up the spine, twist and then just look back. पीछे देखिए. Come on. Suck your belly in. 1, 2, 3. Keep pushing your right knee behind to your shoulder. Shoulder के पीछे की तरफ पुश करते रहिए. 4, 5 and then 6. Good. Come back everyone. Come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. Flex your, and then swing your knees together. Make sure spine straight. Warm up your hip joints. Just continuous. Place your palm on your knee and very gently push your both knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Maintain this position. Inhale, exhale. Everyone, slowly just try to be bend down. Suck your belly in, lengthen spine, and then try. Come on. 1. Focus more to keep your spine straight. 3, 4. Lengthen more. Come on, Reena, Swati. 5, 6, and then relax. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back. Bend your both legs here. Keep your both legs straight and then relax your both legs. Beautiful. And then right leg inside and left leg straight on your left side. ले जाइए लेफ्ट लेग को लेफ्ट की तरफ. Very good. And then give a little gap in between the hip and in between the right leg and flex your right foot. Come on, 10 times movement here. 1, 2, 3. Left thigh also try to be roll inside. 4. And when even you are giving rolling, so also try to be focused that your both hip should on your mat or not. You have to be keep pushing your both hip on the mat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Maintain the position. Everyone from here bend forward, but make sure your right knee should be pushed down. If in some case your right knee is lifting up, so you should use the block or some pillow or towel under the right knee and then try to be bent forward here. Stretch your spine and then drop your head down, and also try to be flex your left foot and focus on your left knee. उसको गिराइए मत, थोड़ा कोशिश कीजिए उसको उठाने की. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not finish yet, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, come back. Come back, everyone. अब मेंटेन योर राइट लेग पोजिशन. अब यहीं से लेफ्ट लेग को भी ले आइए साथ में. कीप ए वन ब्लॉक इन बिटवीन योर बोथ फीट. एक ब्लॉक ले लीजिए. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव द ब्लॉक, ट्राई टू बी a little gap in between your both feet, and then again try to be bent forward. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and then try to be bent forward, and then stay कीजिए. 1. keep lengthen your spine, everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Okay, come back, everyone. Bend your legs first and then your left leg straight on the left side, and now the right leg. So adjust the gap, bigger, a bit intense, closer, a bit easier. So आप अपने हिसाब से कर लीजिए. So left hand on the left knee. Again start giving the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Maintain this position same like before, and then try to be bent forward. धीरे धीरे जाइए. Little try to be slow and then bend forward. Flex your right foot. 1, 2, come on Kamni. 3, रंजन हाथ सीधे करो. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, come back everyone. Again come in the butterfly, same position में वापस आ जाइए, and same take the block in between your both feet. So this time if it is possible for you, or just do the maximum, you can close the gap a bit more. Finding difficulty, you can make a bigger gap, depends on you. Lengthen the spine and once again try to be bent forward. Stretch your arms and then just try. Only for 6 count. 1, 2, lengthen spine. The more you lengthen the spine, the more focus will become on your hip joint. 4, 5, 6, and then relax and just come back. Keep your both legs straight first, and you can be relax your legs. Relax it. Good. Bend your right leg under your hip, knee closer, and just your spine straight. Also try to keep push your right hip down. Usko push कीजिए नीचे की तरफ. Maintain the position and then try to bend forward and hold your left foot. Flex the foot and then try to go near to your left leg. If you cannot, so simply you can hold the foot and just stay. Depends. 1. Yes, you can use the strap or the towel. 2. But remember, if someone is having knee pain, ankle pain, please avoid it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now relax and come back everyone. यहीं से वापिस आ जाइए. लेफ्ट लेग जस्ट टर्न ऑन यूर लेफ्ट साइड. लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट की तरफ ले जाइए. And then turn on the left side. Hold your left foot, flex your foot and try to touch your left leg. Come on. A little try to be focused more to maintain and align your shoulder. कोशिश कीजिए. 1, 2, अमनदीप थोड़ा सा और नजदीक जाओ. 4, 5, बबीता क्या हुआ. 6, सामने नहीं जाना, साइड में जाना. 8, 9, and now 10. आ जाइए वापस. Come back everyone. And now try to be bent forward. This time, just try to be stretch your arm and then spine, and then be stay. Come on. बिल्कुल सामने की तरफ जाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अगर पूरा नहीं जाएगा ना कोई बात नहीं, बीच यहीं पर रोक लीजिए. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू बैंड फॉरवर्ड कंप्लीटली, जस्ट स्टे हियर. 8, 9, and now 10. Enough. आ जाइए वापस. Come back everyone. Keep your left leg straight and then keep your right leg straight. Bend your left leg under your hip and just knee closer, spine straight everyone. We'll go with this gentle routine from the another side. Maintain the position and again try to be bent forward. Once you bend forward, you will be find that your left hip is going up. उसको push कीजिए, then try to be bent forward. Means stabilize your hip and then try to be focus in the practice of the forward fold. Once you come in the final position, keep observing that your left hip is going up or not. If it's going up, so giving the awareness and keep pushing the left hip. Position में आ जाओ और सुनते रहो और करते रहो. Come on. 4, Kunjan. 5, 6, 7, 8 and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. Come back everyone. Your right leg straight on your right side. So here the practice one, little turn on the right and then hold the right foot, flex the right foot and touch your right leg. Same way, try to go near to your right leg. जितना आप नजदीक जा पाए. And keep length and spine जितना कर पाए. 1 and focus on your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. आ जाइए वापस. Come back everyone. Slowly come back and then try to be bent forward. Stretch your arms, spine and then all the way go down. But remember to do not drop the right knee. Right knee को drop मत कीजिए, उसको पीछे की तरफ push करते रहिए and flex the right foot. 1, completely you are not able to go down, पूरा नहीं जा पा रहे तो उसको छोड़ दीजिए. You can do a little. 3, 4, Divya bend forward more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Okay guys, come back here. वापिस आ जाइए. Keep your right leg straight and then also bend your right leg under the hip and your hip in between your both feet. आ जाइए वहां पर. Knee pain or ankle pain, please avoid it. Because of the hip stiffness, you are not able to do that. So in that case, you can be use the block or you can be use the pillow under your hip. उसको नीचे रख सकते हैं. 1 block or 2 block, depends. Stay कीजिए फर्स्ट यहां पर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Good. Everyone come in the cat pose. Knee and feet closer. Gap it in between arms as per your shoulder level. Inhale, push your hip out, open shoulder and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look up at the navel point. Inhale, push your hip out, open shoulder and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up at the navel point. One more time, inhale, push your hip out, open shoulder, look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, navel point. And now relax. Come in the downward facing dog. Your legs, your arms and your spine straight. Come in the upward dog. Drop your knee down. Push your chest in between your arms. Shoulder away from the ear and look up. One more time, come back in the downward facing dog. Legs, arms and spine straight. And again, come in the upward facing dog. Drop your knee down. Push your chest in between arms and look up. Very good. Again, come in the cat pose and then slide your any side one knee and come in the frog pose, everyone. And after you come in the frog pose, take your time first. Maintain your knee and the hip should be aligned. And after just giving the movement, you have to be go front and then you have to be go back. You have to be go front and you have to be go back. Just do it for continuously 1 minute, everyone. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे मूवमेंट दीजिए. यू कैन कीप योर एल्बो मोर फ्रंट साइड. आप अपने हाथ थोड़े से और आगे भी रख सकते. कंटिन्यूअस करते रहिए 20 seconds ऑलरेडी. द मूवमेंट शुड बी स्लोली एंड जेंटली. इफ समवन इज फाइंडिंग डिफिकल्टी, यू आर फीलिंग हार्डर अंडर द नी, अगर आपको लग रहा है यू आर फीलिंग हार्डर अंडर द नी, यू कैन पुट सम टॉवल अंडर द नी. just 20 seconds more. Continuously give this movement. करते रहिए. Yes. करते रहिए. Okay guys, done. Everyone come in the downward facing dog now. Downward facing dog. Your legs, your spine and your arms straight. आ जाइए. And now everyone take a one jump and come in the temple pose. Your left foot on the left side and right foot on your right side. So firstly you have to be adjust the gap in between your both legs. Gap adjust कर लीजिए. Yes, and bring your palm together in the namaste. Open your shoulder and now just stay. 1. Someone is feeling difficult, so you can put the block under the hip. अगर किसी को लग रहा है you are not able to sit in the pose, so block रख लीजिए hip के नीचे. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay guys, just relax your hands, put your legs back and again come back in the downward facing dog. Legs spine straight. You can bend your legs just one by one. Okay, so again come back in the cat pose. And now same, open the knee, slide your any one side knee and come back again in the frog pose. In this time just stay in the pose. You can drop elbow, you can drop the chest and just try to be stay. But the important thing, you have to be maintain your knee to hip and your knee to ankle. It should be aligned. बस stay कीजिए वहां पर. Stay for a while. Just stay. रुके रहिए. 1, 2, 3. हिमांशु थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ जाओ. रूपाली बहुत आगे आ गए आपके. 4. हाँ, हरवीर भी आ गया. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then relax. Everyone come in the downward facing dog. Downward facing dog में वापस आ जाइए. Come on. And now everyone take a jump and come back in the same position in the temple pose which you did last time. आ जाइए वापस. So everyone just try your left foot left side and the right foot on the right side. Come on. And then bring your palm together. Namaste once again. रिमेंबर योर नी पोजिशन, यू हैव टू कीप पुशिंग द नी आउट. आपको यही कोशिश करना है, टू कीप ट्राइंग टू पुश द नी आउट so that you can bring the awareness on your hip joint. Your spine straight, shoulder relax, and just stay. 1, 2, 3. Mayuri, open legs more, left foot left side and the right foot right side. 5, 6. हिमांशु, a little push your spine back. स्पाइन को पीछे की तरफ पुश करो हिमांशु, प्रियंका. 7. अरे कविता सिन्हा कहां बिजी हो गई. 8, 9 and then 10. Okay guys, and now again come back in the downward facing dog. वापिस आ जाइए डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग के अंदर. You can bend your legs one by one. एक एक लेग को आप बेंड कर सकते हैं just for the relaxation. Left leg bend, then right leg bend, left leg bend, then right leg bend, left leg bend, then right leg bend. Okay, come back in the meow meow cat pose. वापस आइए and take the position in the frog pose once again. So first come in the very basic position and then left leg straight on the left side. एक बार मेरी तरफ देख लीजिए. Do not drop the left knee like me. नी को ऐसे ड्रॉप मत कीजिएगा. You have to be lift the knee and little focus on the left foot. लेफ्ट फुट के ऊपर आपको फोकस करना इस तरीके से. Other portion will be remain same. Your knee to hip, your hip to your left leg should be straight, and then just be stay there. If your hip can be touch the floor, it's fine. If cannot, is also fine. Just stay here. कामनी पोज नहीं बनाना ये वाला हाथ वाला. प्रैक्टिस में आ जाओ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. Come back again, cat pose and come back in the downward facing dog. Your legs, your arms and your spine straight. Take the position. Babita, downward facing dog. You can bend your left leg and bend your right leg. So slowly I will take you in the deeper practice. So once again everyone jump and come back in the same position. Temple pose. Yes. The gap should be a little wider. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रखिए गैप को. So that you can be safer side from the knee. If you are keeping the legs closer, so it's difficult for you to control your knee. तो थोड़ा सा गैप ज्यादा रखिए, a little bit. So the feet little turn out. ज्यादा मत कीजिएगा. It's a first round. And now again, first maintain the spine position. Knee pushing out. The more you push the knee out, and the more you can be focused on the hip joint. And यहाँ पर just try to maintain the position. Strong with your legs in the hip and both arms upside everyone. हाथ उठा लीजिए ऊपर की तरफ. Very good. And just stay. 1, नी को पुश कीजिए बाहर की तरफ. 2, 3, संगीता come back in the position. 4, उठ के कहां देख रहे हो आप. 5, 6, नहीं हो पा रहा नीचे ब्लॉक, तकिया, पिलो, कुर्सी, मेज कुछ भी रख लीजिए. 7, 8, कुंजन हैंड्स अप. 9, 10 एंड देन रिलैक्स. 2-4 सेकंड तो पोस्चर होल्ड करते हो. वी आर होल्डिंग द पोस्चर जस्ट 5-6 सेकंड और उसी के अंदर अपना टाइम खराब करते हो. कम ऑन इन द डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. Downward facing dog, downward facing dog. You can bend your legs one by one. Good. Drop your knee, cat pose. Again, frog pose. And now your right leg straight on the right side, everyone. Practice will be remain same. Do not sink the right knee. It should up and then just try. You can drop the hip or not. It's okay. Just maintain it. Even lift up. But just stabilize the pose. Maintain your knee to hip align. And once you come in the pose, just stay and focus on your breath. 1, 2, Amandeep, 3, Harveer down more, Monica down more, 4, 5, Divya, Reena down more, very good Jyoti, 6, श्वेता हिप को पीछे की तरफ पुश करो. बीनल क्या करके बैठे हो, पीछे जाओ. नी को कैसे गिराया आपने, रॉन्ग. 8, 9, yes, now no, drop the foot. And then 10, downward facing dog, everyone. Downward facing dog. Legs, arms, and then spine straight. आ जाइए. Now again jump and come back in the temple pose here. Open the legs more, your left foot on the left side and your right foot on your right side. Maintain same spine straight and bring your both palm together in Namaste. Once you fix the position, try to be stabilize your hip. वहां से strengthening रखिए, strong रहिए, and then try to be lift your both arms up. Come on, keep pushing the lower body down and upper body lift up. Upper body को lift कीजिए ऊपर, lower body को push कीजिए नीचे. 1, come on Janvi. 2, be strong. 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, सामने देखो, look front. 8, 9, and then 10. Everyone hold your ankle, keep your legs straight, and then try to be bent forward. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Everyone downward facing dog. Downward facing dog में दोबारा जाइए. Your both legs you can be bent one by one. Just do it once again. Just do it. Okay. Drop your both knee down and then stand on your knee. A little change. We will go some alternate practice for very gentle back bending. Do not need to do any extreme back bending. Put your hands on the back. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip front side and bend back. Just a little. थोड़ा सा करना है, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा. Open your shoulder. Elbow closer. 1, 2. Binal, let's practice in the floor. When I will be break, then I will be showing. 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back, inhale, exhale. Now relax, everyone. So your hip should be in between the feet. This time we will be change a bit. Feet closer and open the knee sidewise. Knee को side में open कर लीजिए. Just open the knee sidewise. This is just a little different routine from the frog pose. थोड़ा सा उससे हल्का सा different है. Almost same. Come on, first just try to be stay here. यही stay रहिए एक बार, रुक जाइए यहीं पर. You can be hands on the knee, you can be hands on the thigh. Anyone finding difficulty, so you have the block आप ब्लॉक रख सकते हैं अपने नी के नीचे. About the frog position, I said you have to be the leg here and the foot just should be try to be pressing down. उसको ऐसे गिराइए मत. Do not drop the knee in this way. You have to be lift the knee in that way. Knee को गिराओगे so it won't be work on the hip. You have to be lift up. Then you can be work. After practice by practice, if you have a when the flexibility will be increased, आपको लगता है कि now my flex open the knee. रूपाली वापस क्यों आ रहे हो पोस्चर से? You have to be stay in the pose until I am explaining other things. Yeah, we are no need to waste the time. So you have to press like here. Dropping the foot, it little difficult when you have to be press completely the foot, but you have to be bring that awareness. ये नहीं उसको आप ढीला छोड़ देंगे. You will just lose it. Yes, because some practices when you are doing it, especially we are doing the warrior 2 and some variations, when you're dropping the foot like that, so body weight is almost coming on the arch of the foot. So ये नहीं कि arch of the foot पर आ गया, so you will be ignore the edge of the foot. Still bringing that awareness there. How maximum you are doing it और कितना हो पा रहा है, that is different thing. But awareness should be there. Okay, हो गया, आ जाओ वापस. Done. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight, guys, and just relax your legs. Relax it, relax it, relax it. Good. Open legs sidewise. First 20 time movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 9, and then 20. Very good. Keep closer. Relax your legs. Move कीजिए. Move it. Beautiful. Once again, second time, again, open legs sidewise. वापिस आ जाइए. And again, second time, the same routine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay, once again, keep your both legs closer and then relax your both legs. Very good. Come back on the third round. वापिस आइए. Third round में वापिस आइए. Good. In this time, everyone try to be bent forward. Try to focus more, lengthen spine, and then try to be bent down. Drop elbow, or you can keep the arm straight. Whatever you are doing it, mainly focus to your spine straight and keep pushing out. The more you push the hip out, the more you will be find that your spine is going to be straight. वो lengthen हो जाएगी अपने आप. Come on, stay कीजिए. 1, धीरे धीरे जाइए. 2, 3, 4. Okay, बबीता जी. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Good. Come back, everyone. And relax your both legs. I'll give you alternate your leg straight. Bend your left leg on your right knee like this. Your knee and your toes together means knee and your ankle aligned, and your left knee, right ankle should be aligned like that. बिल्कुल ऐसे कर लीजिए, बिल्कुल ऐसे, जस्ट मेंटेन इट. Knee ankle and ankle knee, knees align like that and flex your feet. Maybe some student they will find that their knee is lifting up, means upper leg knee is lifting up. If in some case you're finding like here, you can give the spot with the block like that, or can we use the towel. Maintain this position and just you have to simply bend forward, guys. Maintain the spine straight. If your spine won't be straight, squeezing spine, you will feel nothing. Lengthen spine, then it will become on the hip joint, and then you'll be find it. Even here, you feeling enough is good, or even you can be down more, or even you can be both head. It's up to you. जाइए. 1. अजीता रख लो कुछ नी के नीचे. रखा हुआ है, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. अरे वापिस नहीं आना, रखा हुआ तो अच्छी बात है. 4. अमनदीप नीचे जाओ, क्या देख रहे हो, कम ऑन. 4. हाँ पायल तुम भी क्या गर्दन उठा उठा के देख रहे हो, नीचे रखो. 6. 7. कोकिला लेंथन मोर, हेमा लेंथन मोर, you go straight your arm. 9 and then 10. Relax. Ranjan, are you okay? नहीं हो पा रहा, चेंज द पोजिशन गाइस, दूसरी तरफ से कीजिए. चेंज योर लेग, चेंज योर लेग, चेंज योर लेग, चेंज योर लेग. सेम प्रैक्टिस. Might be one side you will find is naturally, one side you find your knee is together, one side you will find your knee is up, you will find it, maybe ऐसा नेचुरल होता है. Might be some of you are feeling like that, अरे दूसरी तरफ से किया तो नी लग गया, इससे करो नी ऊपर है, और maybe that side नी लग गया और this side से up. So this is just because of the, ये होता है थोड़ा बहुत नेचुरल. So that's why we had to be focused more from the both side practice. Come on, bend forward again the same way. Very gentle practice, but is a very effective. Stay कीजिए. When you are doing your own practice, like so you can choose some certain poses and try to be stay a bit longer in that, especially in this pose too. 1. जाओ नीचे. हेमा आवाज आ रही है. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and now 10. Good. आइए वापस. Come back guys. आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए. Come back, come back, come back. And then relax your legs. Move your legs. Move it, move it, move it. Very good. So again, open legs your sidewise. थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं, थोड़ा सा नई ट्राई करके देखते हैं. So only take a one block, just one block, one side. एक बार लेफ्ट की तरफ ले लीजिए आप. Only left leg on the block, only one side, just one side. हाँ भाग भाग के जा रहे हो, अब उठा उठा के ब्लॉक लेके आओगे अभी. When you come on the mat, so अब सारी चीजें अपने आसपास रखिए. When you come on the mat, so keep all the things with you. Good. So first try to give the maximum opening in your hip, जितना maximum आप कर पाए. And after, then try to be bend forward. जाइए नीचे. Bend down, bend down, bend down. And stabilize your left leg. The side you are using the block, उस साइड की नी के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा. You have to be stabilize it. Straight it. जाइए नीचे, धीरे धीरे जाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कुंजन स्पाइन के ऊपर काम करो, मैंने यहीं से ब्लॉक मारना आपकी कमर के ऊपर. देखो फिर 8, 9 and then 10. Come back. If listen to me carefully, if during practice any forward fall, if your spine is here, तो आपको उस लेवल पर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको You do not need to touch the floor by your forehead if your spine is hunching. You first lift spine and then you have to be try. Otherwise, you will be stuck there. You will practice 1 year, you will practice 10 year. I can give you in the written. आप वहीं पर stuck रहेंगे. You will not have that improvement. That's why we are focusing more on the align and the movements. कभी maybe you all have experience कि आप someone is doing the practice for 5 years, someone even doing for the 10 years, and still you are not reach on particular that level which you want to be. So this is the one reason, because we are not focusing, we are not aware on the right technique and the right way. तो आप थोड़ा उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. इट विल टेक सम टाइम बट यू विल हैव दैट इंप्रूवमेंट. ठीक है, तो ये मत जाइएगा आप, ये वाली प्रैक्टिस मत करो, छोड़ दो उसको. कोशिश शुक्र मनाओ कि मेरे सामने नहीं हो आप लोग, नहीं तो मैं ब्लॉक से मार मार के ना भी कमर सीधी कर देता. फिर अदर साइड, मजाक कर रहा हूं. अदर साइड, यस. राइट लेग and try again. Push hip and then try. Just here. You can feel the difference. आप squeeze spine के साथ जाइए. Once you bend for the squeeze spine, second you give hip movement, lengthen spine, and then you will be try. Even here, depends on the different body type. You will have the right stretch on the right place, on the right muscle, in the right joint. 3, 4, 5, 6, Tasneem good, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. आ जाइए वापस. Come back everyone. Relax your legs, move your legs. अभी सेम प्रैक्टिस को we will be little change. Now use the 2 blocks on the side. Now one time we will be use that. एक साथ करेंगे. So if any student you have to be decide कि legs are opening here in this level more or more, whatever the level you have, no worry at all. Because it depends on the body type. ये भी मत if your leg is open 180 then this is the maximum. No, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. Whatever the level you have, even here or even here, whatever it is, main thing when you are coming in the pose, your spine should be straight. You have to be focused more on here. बीनल बड़ी उबासी आ रही है आपको? हाँ? So take the block here, use the leg. डिसाइड कर लीजिए. फर्स्ट यू ट्राई टू बी फिक्स एंड यूज द सेम प्रैक्टिस. Fit your spine, fix it and then try. You see, the easy way, the right way is fix all the positions, lengthen spine and just try. Okay, I'm feeling enough. Stay. And try to be focused on the breath. Normal breathing, inhalation, exhalation. After a couple of seconds, you feel, yes, now I can be try a little bit one more step. Stabilize each and everything. सभी चीजों को maintain कीजिए and then try take a one step more. Stay there, hold for a couple of breaths, 5 breaths, 7 breaths, 6 breaths. You find, okay, now I'm feeling comfortable. Then you can be take a one step more. So this is the way like how you can become in the practice step by step. एक के बाद एक कैसे आप प्रैक्टिस पे आएंगे. If hip joint is having enough flexibility, so it's okay. You can become in the pose in the direct. Miss Quiet, bend forward. जाओ 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 जाओ. Monica, stabilize the knee. Stay here, stay here. 1. कम ऑन जानवी, करो कोशिश. मोना गोयल, गर्दन हराने से काम नहीं चलेगा. 2. यस एकता, वेरी गुड कांति. 3, 4, 5, 6, वेरी गुड संगीता. 7, 8, you can try a little bit more. 9, and then 10. Okay, done. आइए वापस. Keep your legs closer and then relax your both legs. Relax it. Relax कीजिए. Bend your both legs under your hip and then stand on your knee. Knee के ऊपर आ जाइए. We'll practice just again a gentle for the back. Put your hands on your back. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip just front side. Very, very gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Okay, guys, come back. Inhale, exhale. Now relax. Come in the downward facing dog. Downward facing dog में आ जाइए. Your left leg upside. लेफ्ट लेग को लिफ्ट कीजिए. Left leg in between your both arms and drop your right heel. So I will take you in the practice of the warrior 2, but we will be focused on the hip practice. So make sure your both leg heel should be aligned. Align कर लीजिए उन्हें. And then put your hands on your waist. So the position of your hips same exactly which you did on the floor. Lateral movement में आइए. And just your leg straight and then bend the left leg like this. Right foot a bit inside first. Again your leg straight. Do not change the movement of the hip. उसको stabilize कीजिएगा. Hip is going right left, which I always explain in the warrior 2. Again hip down and then up. Bend the left leg, hip down and then up. Bend the leg, hip down and then up. Bend the leg, hip down and then up. Abhi, before we come in the next repetition, you just little try to turn the right foot. Usually हम क्या करते हैं? Right foot we usually turn inside when we're practicing in the warrior 2. Little will change. थोड़ा सा, just a little try. Right foot a bit outside. बाहर की तरफ निकालिए उसको. Not inside, outside. Right foot. Front foot, left foot will be remain same. Okay? थोड़ा सा बाहर निकालिए. And again hands on the waist and then try to be down more. Come on. Inhale, then up. Exhale, then try to be down. Hip down, hip down, hip down. Once again, come up. Inhale, exhale. Come on, down more, down more, down more, down more. And now stay. Everyone, open arms to shoulder level. And the right foot maximum turn out as maximum you can. But even you turn the right foot out, you have to be lock the right knee. If any student, they are feeling compression in the right knee, so they can be come back or they can be turn the right foot inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then relax. Okay guys, come back. Legs closer. आ जाओ वापस. Relax, relax, relax. This is just the practice. ये एक तरह का practice है. This is I am just giving you the practice to focus more on your middle split routine. Everyone, you try to be understand. The concept is one concept we practicing in the warrior 2. जिसके अंदर in the warrior 2 the right foot you have to keep inside. When you keeping the right foot inside, it is giving the support to your inner thigh more. Okay, so when you keeping the right foot out, first few repetitions what we did, right foot inside, so it is giving support to your inner thigh more. and then we give the movement the same, your hip down and up. But when the right foot is turning out, so it is coming the more intense and you need the more strength. कॉन्सेप्ट वही है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट वी आर डूइंग इट, जस्ट उसको हम थोड़ा सा जो रोटेशन है हिप का थोड़ा सा चेंज कर रहे हैं. वी आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी आर चेंजिंग द रोटेशन ऑफ द हिप. जैसे जैसे फुट बाहर जाएगा आपका रोटेशन हिप का बाहर की तरफ आएगा. व्हेन द फुट इनसाइड, रोटेशन थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ आ जाएगा. इज सेम, लेकिन मूवमेंट से आपका इंटेंसिटी लेवल थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो विद द सेम वी विल गो अनदर साइड. This is not a pose, guys. This is just a movement only, the technique to just work more on your hip opening. Right foot right side, left foot inside. But remember, the position will be remain same as a warrior 2. ये नहीं कि आपके बाहर चला गया तो आपका स्पाइन फिर ऐसे जाएगा मेरी तरह, जैसे कि आप उड़ने वाले हो अभी हवा के अंदर. नो, it will be remain same, because if you come here so it can be injured your that side hip. उसका ध्यान आपको जरूरी रखना है. movement can be changed, a technique can be changed, but a line will be same. उसको चेंज मत कीजिएगा. remember, okay, so right foot out, left foot in, hands on the waist, maintain hip position here. Inhale, exhale, now down. Inhale then up, exhale then down. कुंजन हाथ ऐसे मत जाइएगा प्लीज. इफ यू डू हेयर, आई एम सॉरी, आई कैंट गिव यू द रिजल्ट. इनहेल अप, मूवमेंट, एक्सेल डाउन, उसको स्टेबलाइज कीजिए. इनहेल अप, यू डू नॉट नीड टू गो डाउन टू मच, जस्ट उतना कीजिए जितना आप जा पाए. इनहेल अप, एक्सेल डाउन, गुड. Inhale up, exhale, relax. Now we'll go just 3-4 more repetition. Left foot outside, देखिए कितना आप ले जा पाए. ठीक है, got it? And inhale, exhale once again. Do not change the hip, do not change the spine, still maintain same. You can put hand on the knee or the thigh. Inhale, just up, exhale, come on, down, down, down. Do not change the spine, down, 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 down. Very good. Inhale up, and one more time, exhale then down, down. Kavita Sinha, right knee outside, open the arm shoulder level, guys. Stay here, stay, stay, stay. You can be try to down more. Come on, Priyanka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Janvi, down more. 5, 6. अंजलि अभी उड़ोगे, मेरे को लगता है हवा में उड़ने वाले हो अभी. 9 and then 10. अरे रूपाली, मैं तुमको बता रहा हूं, तुम भी उड़ने को तैयार हो गए. आओ वापस. गुड, बैठ जाओ प्लीज. सिट डाउन, सिट डाउन, सिट डाउन, सिट डाउन, सिट डाउन. कीप योर लेग स्ट्रेट, लेग स्ट्रेट, लेग स्ट्रेट. रिलैक्स योर लेग्स, मूव योर लेग्स, मूव योर लेग्स. Move your legs, move your legs. So belong to the hip opening. We will do some more practice, just one more pose. We'll practice the Kurmasana, turtle pose. कछुआ बनना है सभी को, कछुआ. सभी कछुआ बन के दिखाइए. अब एकता कह रही है सर कछुआ क्या होता है? कभी देखा ही नहीं है. जानवी, hands under the legs and then just we try. So many colorful turtle, no? Blue, pink, green, black. Just stay. सामने देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो. घुटने को पकड़ के रोना नहीं है. स्टे, 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 स्टे. स्वाति, जाओ थोड़ा सा और. कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन. हाँ अमनदीप कौर, क्या हुआ? एंड देन रिलैक्स. आ जाइए, legs closer, legs closer, legs closer, relax your legs, move your legs. हो गया मनदीप जी, पहले वाली तो की नहीं आपने प्रैक्टिस. Legs closer, legs closer. We go the some twist. हाँ जीता. Open arm shoulder level, inhale and exhale, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on the right side. Relax, inhale, exhale, bend forward in the Paschimottanasana. And now relax. Okay, so enough practice for today. If you want to be do more, तो आप एक round और कर लीजिएगा. If you still have that energy. So for the, because today we will our main concept about the middle split routine. On Friday we'll be focused on the back, and then in next class we'll be focused on the hip on the front split. So we'll be divide the practice like that. And today is Lori, actually, I think so. So wish you all a very happy Lori. So Mona and I think Ranjan, you are belong to Punjab. Actually, this is the very big festival, especially in the Punjab. तो आ तो सुंदरी मुंदरी होगी आपकी है. You know how to say? Mona, you know how to sing? You can sing for us? Yes or no? Can? Okay. Let me listen. This is the one traditional style. उसका एक पूरा पूरा का पूरा चलता है कि सुंदरी मुंदरी हो तेरा कौन बिचारा हो. या मोना, दिव्या, कैन यू स्पीक?
2 minutes. Okay. Sir, you will speak ho. You always speak ho. Ho.
I have to speak ho, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. हो जाओ शुरू. अभी हो करेंगे हम दोनों मिलकर.
सुंदर मुंदरिये हो तेरा कौन बेचारा हो दुल्ला पट्टी वाला हो दुल्हे दी वे आई
हो
श्योर शक्कर पाई हो सुंदर मुंदरिये हो तेरा कौन बेचारा हो पट्टी वाला हो दुल्हे दी वे आई हो श्योर शक्कर पाई हो.
आगे तो बोलो, भूल गए.
यस सर.
आगे भी होता है कुछ.
आगे दे माई लोड़ी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी. मतलब हम लोड़ी मांग रहे हैं ना सर. दे माई लोड़ी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी. आगे भूल गया सर. ऐसे ही है कुछ.
ऐसे देखो पंजाब की कुड़ी होके भूल गई यार. But anyway, so wish you all again a very happy Lori. Enjoy and celebrate at your home. Thank you. Thank you so much to all of you. Hari Om and Om Shanti. And yes, guys, one thing more. This is just I'm going to be update my 2 upcoming courses. That is, I'm going to be launched one again 50 hour for the Power Yoga Flow. That is a complete TTC, and one is the 50 hour for the Ashtanga. So this time I changed the concept a bit. This time I make the routine for a 3 month. like I divide the course in the 3 level. So the every level I will be focused on particular some हमारा कुछ target रहेगा each and every level. So I already have created all the details about it, like the schedule and where will be focused, what you are going to be the practice, timing and everything. And also I'm putting a very big promotion for a 1 week. So I'll send you the link, and if you guys are interested, so you can.
Sir, just
So
one,
this is just yes.
one thing, sir. For hip opening, do you have any class?
Yeah, for that I'll be have a one different batch. I will be start for it.
Sir, do send me that link and timings also.
I'll send it. मैं इसके लिए कभी that 2 courses I already created, and I'm going to start maybe somewhere in the 1st of Feb.
Okay, sir.
Maybe 1st of Feb or maybe the first week in the. So I'll send you. You can go
तो I can't bend forward. I don't know why. मुझसे नहीं होता, वो bend forward ही नहीं हो पाता.
करवा देंगे, वो भी करवा देंगे. Okay guys, so thank you so much. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Namaste. Hari Om. Yes, Janvi, one batch, the Power Yoga batch will be at 4 p.m. and the Ashtanga batch will be in morning 8:50. मैं अभी करता हूँ send अभी details. Thank you guys. Namaste.
उसने मेरी वीडियो बना दी है. उसने वीडियो बना दी.
अभी वो बता रही है घर में मेरी आज वीडियो बना ली. अभी काटा नहीं है फोन. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.